My name is Phil Mellinger. I live in Ephrata, PA. I've been here for 15 years. So I had owned my home for quite some time, and it still had the original roof. When it became evident that I needed a new roof, I started looking around at other homes, and I started realizing, like, oh, okay, mine's kind of rough looking. Based on the time frame of the when I bought the house and when it was built, I thought I should probably get a new one here soon. So I started looking for companies. I actually saw one of the signs in someone's yard on my way to dropping my kid off at school. And I thought, oh, Joyland Roofing. And like the yellow and blue kind of caught my eye. And I noticed the roof immediately. And I was like, that actually looks really sharp. So I checked out Google ratings. Ratings were really high. I called you guys and I was like, hey, let me set up an estimate. And the first dude I ran into was like super nice. Yeah, Caleb was great. It was a combination of landing right in my budget. Everyone was really easy to work with. I really got a professional vibe from everyone. It felt very easy to work with everyone. Everything was smooth. Nothing felt like a headache, and I felt like I was prioritized. From the time that everything was planned, it was executed within one day. And like I left for work one day, came back, it was done. Everything was cleaned up well. It was fantastic. I was like, oh my gosh. My neighbors were even commenting like about how fast the crew was. I mean, it was just quick, effective, and done with, really no issues. I didn't have to have any callbacks. I didn't have any, issues with any other thing. Even the gutters came in ahead of schedule. They were great. There's nothing, no reason why you wouldn't recommend them. They made everything seamless and easy. And instead of thinking like your roof was going to be this colossal project, it was like, you're done. And it was just great. So.